Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. Today I will discuss on user profile, and it is described what is the user profile in Windows operating system, and what are the users, and how to set user profile, the default profile in a PC. The definition is here. I will skim it. A user profile is visual display of personal data associated with a specific user or a customized desktop environment. A profile refers therefore to explicit digital representation of a person's identity. A user profile can also be considered as the computer representation of a user model. That is, the further I will add here is the usage history and links accessed by the user is kept in the profile. So this includes the next line you see here. This includes desktop themes, my documents, pictures, videos which are kept in this folder, sources of web pages, games, links of pages, etc. And that is, we are understanding the themes that window will load whenever one person is logging into the PC. What are the themes is standardized and loaded automatically into the PC, and this is called the user profile. So now I will check what are the user profile of this PC already created, and it should be noted here also that user profile will create only when it will log on to the PC. Without logging in to the PC, the profile is not created. I will repeat it. Without logging into the PC, if user is created, although user is created, it will not be create a profile. So whenever your user is created, you create a user from a server or a client PC or standalone PC. It should be confirmed that it should once loaded and logged into the PC using the username or with the password. So now I will check this user profile created or not, and how I will check it. See the practical here. I will go to the computer properties. The first method is here. Go to the advanced settings on this screen, system properties, and then check the advanced options here. This is advanced settings, and within this you see the user profile screen here. This is user profile screen under the advanced tab, and to check this desktop settings related to your logon, that is created in the user profile, see these settings, and by default they have two profiles created within this PC, and the other are the logged on profile created by this computer with the username. You see this here. The user profile skin is here. You see this profile, default profile is created. I have already said it is always created by this PC, and admin profile is created here because I have already logged on as administrator also. This is Padmo PC where I have already logged in with this PC also, and this profile has the huge amount of data, so it is given as 11.8 GB, and this is nothing but 512 MB of data with these videos and document file, etc. And the default apps poll is also created within this always created automatically. This two portion is always created automatically. So if I create another user, then if and I will log on to this PC, then this profile will be created here. So it is okay now. This method will show the user profile, and in this settings screen you can also delete this profile here. Here option is there. If it is a user, then it can be deleted, but if it is administrator, it will not be deleted. So that is the options here. So second method, I can see this option is in this users options of C drive. You see my computer and C drive. You go to the user options here. Users. All the users are there. Here I have two users mainly. So, this is administrator and this is Podmo PC. So suppose I will open this administrator. It will show these things by default loaded to this PC on the logging into this PC. So that is, I have already used to say that desktops are there, themes, desktops, downloads are also there, favorites, links, documents are also there, music, videos, Excel pictures are there. These are the default things which are loaded in this user profile, and it can be a collection of these things called user profile. You may describe these things as a user profile. So I think it is clear now what are the user profile and how it is created. And in case of Microsoft user ID, if you used to log on from a user account of Microsoft, then it can be defined as the roaming profile for this user login, because one of these profile is saved with a Microsoft account profile. So that can be used as a roaming profile, which is a property of server, client server network, and the client server always create a roaming profile. So you know this, and I think it will be discussed in future videos too. Thank you.